Hello everyone. Now we talk about MediaPipe Studio. So without any further delay, we directly move on to the documentation of MediaPipe solution. So what does it means? So far if we are involved with mobile application, we know that Android Studio or others type of Visual Studio code editor and so on. And in our real life, if you hear that photography studio, so what does actually MediaPipe solution guide for uh, today's topic? Well, it's a library which provide uh, like edge computation device for AI and ML algorithms run on our devices or web page with help of media pipeline. So media pipeline divided the full tasks into three way. Basically, one is media pipe tasks, another is media pipe model and model maker, and also visual media pipe studio. And we can see here the platform available: Android, web, Python, iOS, and yeah, customize. For example, we want to look at this image segmentation. We want to customize it for our own data set, but it shows that not yet we can customize. Others model, like almost 50% model are customized. So customize means we can change the learning parameter, we can change the data set, and basically models param change means the customization or the number of training, increase or decrease the size. So in the left side we can see there are a good number of vision tasks available, and text tasks, also generative AI tasks. Now for our simple understanding, we just go through about the object detection. So first of all, we have to come here the MediaPipe Studio, and we see that on device ML for everyone. So for example, I am an non ML expert, but I am a app developer. I want to uh, add a feature in my app like object detection. So if I give input, I want to see that how does the different object in these pictures available. So what I have to do, should I learn all the machine learning and then I have to start building? No, media pipeline already do this. I just configuration it, and if it allow me to customize, then I can some customize based on my requirements. So what can we see here, like Bison's model, which like the accepted image or videos, object detection, image classification, image segmentation, landmark detection, gesture detection, face detection, face stylization. Okay, for text embedding, language detection, and audio, generative AI. Okay, now at first we start from the simple one, object detection. So if I just click here, let's see what it shows. It takes sometimes depend on the internet and the browser systems. So first of all, it shows me that I have to allow my camera, but there is no webcam, so it's not work if I allow or not allow. So I want to see, it takes few minutes loading. In the meantime, we can see here the object detection. So what actually object detection means? It return a bounding box image or video based on the different set of class. Okay, and here it work about the Kuko data set. And if we want to see the documentation, just click here. So as we are start from the very basic, so we start from here. This is the kuko data set. Okay, and yeah, this is the documentation of object detection. So basically in raw picture is a dog and cat, but the label is generated by the model MediaPipe, and from here we can see the code example of Android. For example, I have to my interest goes to see the code, so I just click here, but here we use the Python code also. So okay, in the meantime we go through our past one. So it told me that the input is OBS camera virtual, but I have no camera yet, so can I not use the feature? Okay, so we can upload image from our PC. Okay, it takes few minutes, we have to wait for this. Already it detect my default picture like stop sign 14%, clock 10%. Okay, and in and we can select different type of configuration like GPU or CPU. Here is our light model, so we can see that each model with has below level both CPU and GPU work. And yeah, one thing is that it's all about TensorFlow Lite 2, Lite 0, and display language English, mix gesture. We can increase or decrease the threshold. So inference time already it shows that. Okay, I have to choose an image. Will it allow me? Okay, let's say I insert this picture. Okay, it will take few minutes, don't worry. There are the max result one. So after this we will increase the result. So if you clearly look at this, it detect one two three separate boxes, and here is one book 24%. uh, I can spell it like 5%. So if I increase the threshold, let's see what will be the change max result. Probably it returned to me okay, more than. In the meantime we also want to see on our Google Colab. So okay, why it's slow I don't know. In the earlier I see that it returns three boxes, but now it return 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, approximately 6. So if I increase the threshold and max result 10, let's see what will be the output. Okay, and in the meantime we open the Python code here. So probably for my device or network issue, that why it take so many times. uh, it, I'm not sure about this. Okay, I am opening the Python code. Okay, though it takes so many times for image taking, so we have to move for the text classification or text embedding. So first of all, we move to the text classification. So similar thing, and the interface is looks like similar. We can select model here, BART classifier, makes result. So we just only copy to this text and insert here. So inference time 0 millimeter second, but if I insert this, let's see what it is. The classification return, probably it return either positive or negative, maybe, I'm not sure. Let's see what it returns in output. So yeah, positive and negative, 77% positive and 23% negative. Okay, we change the model. We can also upload model file here. We will discover in our later session how to customize model and discover here. So average word classifier, we use this model and want to see average word classifier model returns 94%. If you recalled in the earlier it shows 77%. Okay, now we increase both value max and threshold 50%. Let's see what will be the result. Okay, it shows that 94% 0, that means positive. Okay, just slightly increase this. So it took only 21 millisecond inference time and 94% result. But if you use CPU here, let's see in the same param what does it return. Look like the 94% value will be changed within a few minutes. So similarly, due to the network, I can